Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach few solid figure. All of you know what is solid? Okay? Yes. All of you know already taken no cone ice cream. Eaten no cone ice cream. Now to it is very hot now. Okay? What is the figure cone ice cream? See. Yes. So the figure is like that. Look at here. This type of figure, no? See? Yes. This is the figure of cone ice cream. Okay. Now this is right circular. Here cone is there. Okay. See this part. How many faces are there? Look at here. So this is one face. Okay. So this is circular circle. Okay. And this is curved face. This also face. Here number of faces 2, and this is the vertex. This is vertex. Okay, one vertex is there. Okay. Now this is the example of solid figure, and all of you know. Wait 1 minute. Yes. See again. Right circular cylinder. See this type of figure. See this type of figure. How many faces are there? Look at here. First here this is one face. This is also one face. Okay, and this part also one face. So two are plain face and another is curved face. Okay, another is curved face. I am showing one. See, look at the figure. One thing. See this figure, all of you know. So look at here. So this is lower part is there. This is circle. This is curved. Okay. This is open. Okay. This is open. This is one face also there. Okay. Now this is open. This is closed. Down is closed. This is curved. This is open. Okay. Now all of you take T at home. T. See this figure. Right circular cone. This is cylinder. This is right circular cylinder. See this side. This is curved face. This is plain face. Down is circle. This is curved. This is open. Okay. Upper part is open. It has any vertex? No. It has no vertices. It has no vertices. Okay. Now I will discuss. Listen. Now I will discuss what is faces, what is vertices, what is edge. What is edge? Okay. Now, so these are known as solid. All of you know, and 2 dimension and 3 dimension. 2 dimensions means this figure. This is 2 dimension figure. Okay, triangle. 2 dimension. And if you write, so this is, look at here, rectangle. This also 2 dimension. Square is also 2 dimension. And all of you know this is circle also 2 dimension. Okay, that is 2D figure. This is 2D figure. Okay, this is 2D figure. Solid means having length, breadth and height or depth also the figure. Okay, solid figure having length, breadth, also depth or height. All of you know you are using geometry box. This figure also, book also solid figure. Okay. Now 3D space, these are 3D space. 3D space will be cone, cylinder, okay, sphere. These are 3D space. Now if we combine figure, combination of 2D and 3D. Look at here. Combination of 2D and 3D. Solid figure. Combination of 2D and 3D. Look at here. If you draw the figure, see this figure. This is cone. This is hemisphere. Hemisphere, okay? This is hemisphere. So this is one combination of, okay, solid figure. Again, if you draw the figure, again see, suppose look at here, this figure. Here, this is rectangle is surmounted by triangle. Okay, this is combination of two figures. Again, if you write, again see, this figure. Okay, so this figure is combination of 3D and 2D. Okay, now I am discussing. See, look at it again. So all of you know cuboid. Okay, see, suppose this is the figure of cuboid. Cuboid. Look at here. Cuboid figure. Okay. So this one vertex, this one vertices. Vertices. How many vertices are there? Look at here. How many vertices? Yes. So 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So vertices are 8. Okay. But it's geometry box, all of you know this figure. Suppose I am showing 1 minute. Look at here. I am taking one book. See this figure. Look at here. Everybody having books. Show this figure. Look at here. Okay. This is front face. How many faces are there? There are 6 faces. Look. This is the front faces. This part front. This is side. How many side? 1, 2. 2 side here. 1, 2. That side. 1 face. Again face. And upper part and lower part. Total number of faces here 6. So total number of faces 6. Okay. See, so 8 equal to 6. And edges, see, look at here. These are edges. 1 edge, okay, 2, okay, understood? 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, okay. Look at here, this figure. See, I am showing here the figure. Look at here. See, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total edges equal to 12. We have to verify here one theory is the Euler's theorem. Okay, so Euler's theorem is there, B plus 8 equal to 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, 14. And E plus 2, 12 plus 2 equal to 14. If V plus 8, vertices plus 8, face equal to edges plus 2, then it's verified Euler's theorem. Okay, it's verified Euler's theorem. Now, so this is the one region. Look at here, one region. No, this also one region. Two region. Look at here, meet here, intersect on line. One line is there. No? So these are known as edges. Okay, this is edges. When two polygonal region intersect, okay, so it is called edge. More than 3 edge, more than 3 meet in one point, intersect one point, meet in one point. So these are, so look at here, if we consider this point, say one edge, here also, intersect. Again, if we take this point, look at here, this edge, and this edge intersect. So these are vertices. 3 or more line segment meet in a point. This point is known as vertices. Okay, the region, polygonal region, okay, form a face. So this one region is there, no? So this is the face, this is the one face. If we consider this is one face, one region formed, okay, so this is face and edge, I must have edge there, this is one edge, line segment, okay, two plane intersect, look at here, two plane, this is one surface, this is one surface, intersect here, okay, meet in the point. So this is edge, this part is edge, okay. So any solid figure, okay, vertices are there, solid figure, vertices, faces, and here also edge. But keep in mind, one thing, right circular cylinder, it has no vertices. If we consider, look at here, this part, look here, see here, this is circular, circle is there, this is curved surface, this part is curved surface, okay, they intersect here, but here no vertices are there. In cylinder, no vertices are there, keep in mind, okay, in cylinder no vertices are there, okay. All of you learn properly. 1 minute, see, I am showing here in study material, I am giving here, okay. Wait, I am showing one figure, look at here. And if length, breadth and height, okay, cube form, length, breadth and height are equal. See, all of you know dice, seen dice, yes. So it is a example of cube, okay, cube, example of a cube. So length equal to breadth equal to height. See, figure, look at here. See this figure here. This is this figure. This is the cube. Here length, breadth and height all are equal. Okay, all are equal. Also you have to verify here Euler's theory. Okay, this is the figure of cube. Dice, all of you said dice. So this is an example of cube. Here length, breadth and height or depth are equal. Okay, keep in mind this figure. Again, right circular. See, see this figure. Listen now, one thing I am explaining. See, suppose see, if you say this is form a rectangle, no, this is, this side is length, this is breadth is there. Okay, now if we roll like that along, say this figure, look at here. Okay, so this is front space. Okay, this upper part, this lower. So this is circle. Both are open. It is open. So this is, if we consider this is closed, this one circle, this one circle. Okay, and this will be curved surface. Okay, curved surface. This figure, look at here. You have to also your copy. If we long copy, look at here. This copy you could take, this copy take. Okay, so if we consider this part, see, just to roll along like that. So this figure also no here. So this is circle. Its perimeter means its breadth. This is height. This is length. This is also length. Okay, okay. Now, so it has no vertex. It has no vertex. So how many faces are there? See, two faces. This is one face. Okay, this is face. This also face. Okay, now this is edge. Okay, yes. Next, right circular cone. Look at here. See, here this is vertex, this is face, curved face. Okay, this is plane face. This part is, this is edge. Okay? Two, three, 2 plus 1, 3. See, Euler's formula is applicable, verified. How many faces? 2 faces. So F equal to 2. F equal to 2. Vertex V 1. Edge E 1. Okay? Edge E 1. So A plus B 2 plus 1 and E plus 2 1 plus 2 3, both are equal. Okay? Okay. Okay, why not today? You have to learn whatever I discuss in the class. You have to learn properly at home. Also I give study material. You have to learn properly. Okay? Okay, bye.